Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat your car like a pro. Well, not a pro exactly because I have no idea what I'm doing. We're going to learn together though, so I'm going to document every step of the way, show you guys what products I use, or just have those in the description because I will forget. So I hope you like time lapses, otherwise this video would be a good 8 to 10 hours long and I don't expect that kind of commitment yet. So it's going to be a lot of work, take all day, but how hard could it be, right? What we're working on is my 2013 Audi TT RS in Daytona Gray, and this thing came into my hands looking really good, so I want to keep it this way. Step number one is to get this thing washed. We are going to do it the proper way with 2 buckets, and I've also got 2 sponges. Just in case, I have to go underneath anything like the bumpers or the side skirts. I want to make sure I'm not using the same sponge as the bodywork. Once we've dried it off, we're going to go over the whole car with a clay bar. That's going to pull out any contaminants from the paint and make sure we get it as smooth as possible. Then step 3 is to give it a full polish, and this was just done 3 months ago when I got the car, so I'm going to do it by hand. It's also because I don't have a buffer, but I think we're going to be in good shape. And finally, for step 4 is the ceramic coating. So I got Avalon King Armor Shield 9. You might have seen this all over YouTube already. A lot of people use it. A lot of people have been sponsored by them. But everything I hear so far is that it's a great product, so I am willing to give it a shot. So let's get it outside and start washing. As you can see, I did already take the license plates off just because there's always some kind of dirt behind here, and I want to make sure I do a really thorough job here. In case you couldn't tell from the time lapse, it is currently fall and a very windy day, so anytime I get finished with one side, rinse it off, all looks good, I go back to a side I've already done and it is just covered. Yeah, so not gonna lie, that was pretty tiring because of all the extra hassle due to the nature of nature. So now time to dry it off and then we can get to the rest of it. So step 2 in the prep process here is going to be clay barring. So I've got my clay here, and the whole idea is to get this lubricated with the spray that they provide. Clay. And wipe away. extra step and I'm gonna clay bar the wheels because I do want to ceramic coat these as well. If anybody's ever seen an Audi before, you know the brake dust is just impossible on these things. So I would love to have some protection against that and keep these wheels nice and shiny. So I'm pretty glad I did this clay barring to the wheels as well, because I have actually never seen these look so clean. I mean, they were in good shape, no scratches, no scuffs, but just this silver, satin silver, just really pops now. Okay, so we are fully clay barred, body, wheels, everything, and I must say it's looking really good already. It's already has quite a deep shine, but I know it'll come alive even more with a little bit of polishing on the coating. So lots more work to do. Step 3 now. Fully polished. Have to say I'm pretty pleased with the results so far. For 2013, I think this paint is pretty proper. Quick close-up, in case you guys are wondering what Daytona Gray looks like. It is a pearl metallic, so it has a lot of that color flake in there. Okay, so we are at the beginning of the last step. Prepping for ceramic coating. It's going to be spraying down the car with a solution of water and alcohol and wiping it down to make sure there's no residue, contaminants, or anything left over on the paint. Okay, we are here at the last step, finally. After the whole day, it's pretty late already, but we gotta get this done. So, this kit does come with everything you need. Thankfully, it comes with the gloves, comes with this block and applicator pad, and here we go. That would help. are fully ceramic coated. Every panel, including the wheels, which look fantastic, all polished up. Hopefully they stay that way. Gotta say, it is looking great. Has a really nice deep shine. But considering it's the middle of the night, I am going to call it a day and come back tomorrow. Maybe do a second coat. I'm gonna see how it dries overnight, see what it looks like, and I think I'm gonna give it one more coat just to make sure it's properly done. Well, it's the following day and I did start coat number 2, but I had to stop because I am all out. Yeah, this bottle is completely empty. I thought there was maybe half in there, but no. But what that really means is we are done here. Yeah, job complete. So now we just have to let it cure. 48 hours, can't get it wet, can't get it dirty. We're just gonna let it sit and sleep. It's kind of nasty outside anyway, so I didn't want to get it filthy right away. But unfortunately, that also means I can't do any kind of water test, which shows that sweet, sweet hydrophobic action. Come back in the next one. I will definitely do that, maybe in slow-mo. That could look cool. Otherwise, I will leave you with a little more music, some beauty shots, and say thank you for watching. See you later.